What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today I have something pretty exciting for you. I have a lot of customers buying these from us, the Harmony system. And I got a little hack for you on how you can splice in the IR control to your projector, or really any device that's in another room separate from your hub. If you aren't one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let me explain how this works. You have this hub, right? And it's the same on the Pro as the Pro 2400. And then you have IR ports on the back, right? This hub is sitting in a closet somewhere in your house. And you're pressing a button on your remote and it's going to that hub. Well, there's two different ways you can control devices in the room that you're in. This is an example, a theater room. These remotes will do IR control, so you can point it at your projector, which who wants to do that? It completely defeats the purpose of this unit if you're having to point it anywhere. Or you can do what I recommend to people. I've had a lot of customers asking me how to do this, so I'm going to show you. It's very, very simple. These are the IR sensors that come with the unit. The Harmony Pro is the one we're using today. You have the one IR out of the hub, and then it comes with 4 IR sensors. So as an example, we got our cable box, Blu-ray player, Apple TV. Well, here's our projector, right? So I'm going to pull the projector line out apart from the rest of them, and I'm simply going to cut it in half. Inside of this cable, there's 2 lines. You got your main strand of cables right here on the inner part of the conductor. Right here, which is your first strand. Right, so we're going to separate that out. And then this inner wire actually has its own shielding over it. So we're going to peel it back. Like that. All right. And then in between on this particular system, we have a Cat 5 cable or Cat 6. Any category cable or security line, anything that has 2 conductors will be sufficient. Because we're going to take these 2 cables right here and we're going to splice them into 2 of the strands on the Cat cable. The reason that I recommend Cat cable between your projector and the closet, or your TV in the closet, is just for future proof. You can use it for control like this, or you can use it for HDMI conversion as new different formats come out, different versions of 4K or soon enough 8K. Well, it's actually already out, but yes, technology is going to be changing, and these category cables can be used for many different purposes. You can convert it to about everything under the sun. So this side right here, this is coming out of our hub. We're going to splice into the Cat cable that is in the closet coming over here. So I'm going to take you over to that side and show you exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so before we actually go over to the closet, there's a lot of Cat cable in there. So instead of trying to figure out which one it is, we're just going to strip back this side. I'm going to steal a couple of these strands. I'm just going to use orange and orange white, but you can use any of these. It does not make a difference as long as you match it up on the other side. So I'm going to take the orange and the orange white, peel these back a little bit like that, strip the line, and then we're going to throw our toner on it. This guy is awesome. You can pick it up at Home Depot for like, I don't know, $80 or $90, and then you can tone out all kinds of stuff. So we're just going to put it on our strands like that, and it's sending a signal through that line to the other side. So now we're going to take the toner part, the probe, And we're gonna look for that noise on that side of the cable. So let's go over there. All right, so now we're in the AV closet. Let's see if this thing works. So it's over here somewhere. You can hear it. So I just need to figure out which one it is. You keep moving it around until it gets louder. You'll hear it in just a second. Just like that. So when the signal's real strong like that, you know you got the right one. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. Just splice the cable back. Again, you can use any strand that you want. I've just become, kind of gotten the habit here of using the orange and the orange white. Okay, so now the signal should be really strong. That's how you know you got the right one. So I'm sure at this point in the video, it should be making a lot more sense to you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. But essentially, now that side that I spliced back, the side going out of the processor or the controller that we spliced earlier in the video, this guy, we're just going to splice in right here. So for the video's sake, we're going to do some wire management here in a minute, so I'm not going to spend too much time doing this, but you can take like the black to the orange like that, you guys can see, and then you can take the other wire to the white orange like that. Now we need to put some crimp connectors on there to make sure they don't come loose, but again, we're about to do some wire management in here. So that would complete this side. You guys see that? Orange to black and orange white to the bare wire. So now we're going to go to the other side where the IR sensor is and do the same thing. Okay, so now that we're back in the theater, we're going to take this guy off. And our sensor right here, we're going to splice in the same fashion. I'm going to take the black to the orange, and I'm going to take the bare wire to the orange white. Okay, so you can see right now the lines are being spliced together. Perfect. Now what happens is this little sensor here is going to go over our eye on the back of the unit. So essentially what's happening is whenever you hit a button on the remote, it's like as if you were pointing the original remote right at the unit, except for it's going to the hub and then through the line, boop, right to the front of the unit. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you set up your theater room. We really appreciate all your support as well as your purchases. It keeps our channel fueled and allows us to continue to make videos. You guys really means the world to us. If you aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.